Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Virtual Tech Guru. Well, I just want to talk on today's special product, the Leatherman's tool, which is 9 tool into 1. Well, this is a product, and as you can see, it says Squirt ES4. So this is a model number, and I got the red color, fancy color. And yeah, this is a box. So now let's quickly unbox it. So what we have here, yeah, this is the product. And what else do we have? Negative torture. Okay. So yes, quite a big user guide. Let's keep this aside for now. And yes, let's have a look into this. Nice. Okay, it's really compact. And let's see what we have here. Signature. Again here, read it. So that's a nice. I need to be sharp, guys. I need to be careful. Sorry. So that's knife. It's quite sharp. Let me safely close it out. And what do we have here? Wow, nice. It got spring in it, and of course, who's ready for gardening? Well, okay, looks cool. Let me try to quickly grab a piece of paper. Try it out. Quite sharp. Nice. So we have this. Let me again handle it. Okay, and close it out. Okay, it's done. What else do we have here? The short one, I think so. Okay. This is for the kind of bottle opener. Okay, it's a bottle opener. I think here also we have the same. I'm sorry, here's it. It's a bottle opener. See that? Okay. And now comes the big part. Interesting. This is the wire cutter. I think this strip, you can even strip the cables. You know, the copper cable and this network Cat 6, Cat 5 cables. I think you can strip them, and even the fiber ones looks like, and even cut the electrical cables and sleeve out it. So quite a good product for this compact size. And yeah, last but not the least, you have this ring here where you can use it for your car key, or you can hold it in your pants or laptop bags. So yeah, quite a nice product, compact, and I think I paid around 220 dirhams, and I bought it from Desertcart.ae. So yeah, you guys can go and have a look. So yeah, it's a product from Portland, and they're offering around 25 years of warranty. That's what they claim. So definitely it's a good product. You can see here numbers, and yeah, stainless steel product. So I like this finish, it's a matte finish. So yeah guys, you have different variant of color in this. One is black and blue, silver, and the cherry red, which I got. So yes, so yes guys, so if you like the product, then you can buy it from Desertcart.ae, and please like my channel, and share and subscribe with the bell icon, and this makes me, to make on more products reviews. I'll come up with more products in future. So yes, signing out. Cheers.